The notches on the eccentric washers serve as markers to place the caster housing at the desired angle. Here he's pointing to the notches. Using a 5mm Allen key, loosen the bolts on one of the front caster housings until the eccentric washers are free to move. Here we use a roll of tape to lift the casters off the ground for adjusting. Use the notches as guides to rotate the position of both inserts correctly. Utilize the eccentric washer chart to find the nearest configuration according to the seat angle range or your seat slope range. This will best align the caster housing 90 degrees from the floor in relation to the desired seat slope. Retighten the bolts using the 5mm Allen key. Once you return the casters to the level surface, now you will ensure the caster housing is level. Ensure you are at or as close to 90 degrees as possible. Again, ensure you're measuring the level of the caster housing itself and not the wheelchair frame. Once at 90 degrees, finish by applying 12 Newton meters of torque, and then you will repeat on the other side.